Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be trying out some new products that I just received. If you guys have watched me for a while, you know that protein is a huge priority in my diet. Back when I discovered that a higher level of protein in my diet made me feel so much better, so much more satiated, all of that, it was like a game changer for me. And since then I have been just looking for ways to add more protein to my diet. You can always just eat more meat, you can eat egg whites, things like that, but there are also a lot of more fun ways to add protein into your diet. So I'm always excited about different companies that come up with different protein options to make the diet a little more exciting. So Marigold Foods reached out to me a while back and asked if they could send me some stuff to try. And I said absolutely, because I could see from their ingredient lists that they're really focused on quality of ingredients. They have lots of different protein products like collagen products and whey products. They even have some bars and different things like that. But they sent me a few things to try, and so I'm gonna try those today. Well, I'm gonna try two of them, and one of them I'm actually gonna be giving away. So what they sent me was the collagen peptides hot chocolate or hot cocoa, and then the strawberry sundae whey protein isolate. I'm excited to try this. And then they sent me their high protein coffee blend. This is dairy-free vanilla collagen latte. And since recently I gave up caffeine, I decided I would go ahead and just give this away to somebody. I am really tempted to open it up and try it, but I know that someone else is gonna get a lot more use out of it. They do have like the caffeine listed here on the back. So one scoop has 83 milligrams of caffeine. So I know somebody that's currently consuming caffeine is going to really appreciate this a lot more than I will. So stay tuned to the end of the video and I will give you the details on how to enter that giveaway. So as far as the whey protein powder, the way that I probably will use this most often is to add extra protein to my protein shakes. So I love using Keto Chow because it's a complete meal shake, but it doesn't have enough protein for me typically. Usually if I'm having it for breakfast, I want to have at least 30 grams of protein, if not 40 or 45. And so adding a scoop of an additional protein to that is a great way to get that in. So that's probably how I will use this most often. I thought the strawberry flavor would be great to add to like the fruity flavors of the protein shakes, because you have to kind of match flavors. You can't just throw strawberry protein into, you know, chocolate peanut butter. Although maybe that would be good. I don't know. So anyways, that's how I'll probably typically use this, but I really want to get a good taste test in. So I am actually going to just mix this up with some water. It doesn't have any fat in it, 0.21 grams of fat. So a little bit, but very little. And I'm going to add in a little bit of cream and kind of just make like a strawberry milk and see how it is like that. Then I will also make some collagen hot cocoa. So as far as the ingredients on these, let's go over that. Let's do the strawberry whey isolate first. Whey isolate from truly grass-fed cow's milk, non-GMO L-glutamine, that's an amino acid, organic vanilla flavor, organic green banana flour, so that's like a resistant starch in there, and I'll go over the carbs and stuff in a second. Organic strawberry flavor, organic beetroot powder, that's for color, stevia, sunflower lecithin, and real salt. So as far as the nutrition facts, a serving size is 2 scoops or 30 grams. Calories 94 grams per serving. Fat is the 0.21 grams. Total carbs is 4 grams, but the dietary fiber is 3, so that is 1 net carb. And then sugar is less than 0.2 grams. So almost no sugar, and then that gives you 20 grams of protein. So adding this in like to your yogurt or to, you know, any kind of a shake or just making like a strawberry milk type thing is going to give you a good extra bump of protein to your meal. So I love that. And then as far as the collagen peptides hot cocoa, so this is non-GMO bovine collagen, organic natural cocoa, organic vanilla flavor, non-GMO L-glutamine, stevia, and real salt. So this doesn't have any added fat to it. So I'll probably add some cream to this as well when I make hot cocoa. That's just gonna, you know, give it that creamy factor. Serving size is 30 grams or 2 scoops. Fat is 0.031 grams, so very, very low fat. 3 total carbs, 2 dietary fibers, so that's 1 net carb per serving. Total protein is 22 grams, and the collagen peptides is 20 grams of that total 22. Now, one thing about collagen is it's not a complete protein. It is a really good protein, and it's really good for your hair, skin, and nails, and your gut, and so many other things, but it's something that you don't want to rely on as your primary source of protein. You want to have it with, so this would be a great thing to add like after you have a meal, like top it off with a little bit of collagen hot cocoa. But I don't recommend just making a whole entire meal protein shake out of the collagen. That would be better to do with something like the whey. All right, we will do the strawberry sundae whey first. It says to mix with 10 ounces of cold water or milk. I am gonna do 9 ounces of water and then 1 ounce of cream and see how that is. Does anybody else cut their tear off bags open just so that you have like a nice clean cut across the top? Or am I just the only weird one? Ooh, that smells really good. That smells amazing. Okay, there's a scoop in here we gotta get out. That really smells good. It smells like a strawberry cream. I mean, it's a sundae, so you'd think the ice cream flavor would be in there or some kind of a creamy flavor. It smells really, really good. So 30 grams is the serving. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put my 1 ounce of cream in there, and then I'll try to mix it up with my frother. All right, I like how well that blended in there. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna get a couple ice cubes. I love the color, and it's all naturally colored with that beetroot. No artificial colors here. Okay, I can tell you already it smells like Nestle Quick, like strawberry Quick. Let's taste it. Oh yeah, that is very, very good. Definitely tastes like a strawberry milk. So when this package arrived in the mail, my son Levi, 5 years old, opened it up with me, and he thought that the strawberry whey sounded amazing as a strawberry milk. And so he's been begging me to make him some strawberry milk. And the kids drink raw milk that we get from a local farm. And so I was thinking like cup of raw milk and a scoop of whey protein in there with his meal. That would be absolutely perfect for him. I really try to focus on protein with the kids and making sure that they have this, foundation of protein. And being able to drink strawberry milk and get in your protein is, pretty magical. It's very good. I really like the strawberry flavor. Definitely a winner. All right, I'm gonna start getting my water heated up for hot cocoa. Ooh, that's what it looks like. Get the scoop out of here. I have my glass cup so that you can see what it looks like as I mix it up. And 30 grams was the serving size. So we'll get that in here. Perfect. And then this one says to add with 6 to 10 ounces of liquid. I will do, I'll do 7 ounces of boiling water and the 1 ounce of cream. And 1 ounce of cream. And a quick froth. And it's dissolving super easily, which is wonderful. It frothed up nicely, looks delicious, smells delicious. We're gonna give it a try. It's pretty good. I have gotten to be kind of a snob about hot cocoa. I have my own hot cocoa blend that I make. I like it salty now after adding electrolytes into my hot chocolate. And this does have salt in the ingredients, but I would add a little bit more. It's definitely a good base. I would just doctor it up just a little bit. I like the sweetness. There's a really good amount of sweetness, and it doesn't taste stevia-y to me. It's a really clean sweetness, so I like that a lot. And the chocolate flavor is really good. So this, I mean, it's called hot cocoa, but it's, you know, chocolate flavored collagen that you could use in all kinds of applications, like adding it to shakes and things that are not hot, of course, but it does make a delicious hot cocoa. So you could use it in all kinds of applications to get that extra bump of collagen. 20 grams of collagen peptides in one serving. 22 grams of protein total, which is fantastic. Now on to the high protein coffee giveaway. I wanted to go over the ingredients in this one as well and the nutrition facts. So I already showed you the caffeine there. If you do 1 scoop, you get 83 milligrams of caffeine. And then they list out the BCAAs, that's branched chain amino acids that are naturally occurring in the protein. So the ingredients are grass-fed type 1 and type 3 collagen peptides, organic Arabica coffee extract, organic flavors, non-GMO allulose. So this one does have added allulose. Stevia also, sunflower lecithin, and real salt. So again, this one is not going to be like super creamy already, but you can add that little bit of cream like you would normally add to your coffee. The calories are 99 for 1 serving. 1 serving is 2 scoops or 30 grams, just like the other ones. 0.02 grams of fat, so extremely low on the fat. I do like that they still put that exact amount on there. They're really giving you all the info on the nutrition facts. And then 4 grams of carbohydrates, 2 of those are dietary fiber, 0.05 grams of total sugar in there. So 0.5, not half a gram, it's 0.05 of a gram of sugar in there. 1.5 grams of allulose. So of that total, that 4 carbs, 2 grams are fiber and 1.5 are allulose. So that means it's a net 0.5 carbs or less than 1 carb net. And then it has the 20 grams of protein. And again, that's coming from the collagen. So this is one that you wouldn't want to make the main protein of your meal or the only protein of your meal, but it's great to have with other protein, other complete protein in your meal. Great way to, you know, get all those hair, skin, and nail benefits. It's a fantastic thing to add to your diet. So if you are interested in winning the coffee, go ahead and put #coffee in the comments. If you just leave a comment without that, it will not be entered into the contest. But if you put that #coffee in there, you will be entered. I will pick a winner a week from today, and I will be posting a community post with the winner's name. So definitely subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to make sure you get notified when I post, because you wouldn't want to miss that you won. And these days with giveaways on YouTube, I have to put out there are lots of scammers that are going to try to pretend like they are me and get you to go over to some other kind of a chat service, and they're going to ask for money, and it's not going to be me. The only way the winner will be notified is with the community post. I will not be replying to comments letting people know that they won. So if you get a reply to your comment saying that you won, you can automatically know that it is not me. This giveaway is only going to be open to those in the US or with a mailing address in the US. As much as I want to open it up to the whole world, the shipping prices are astronomical, and there are just different tax implications for doing worldwide giveaways. So I just can't do that right now. But if you are in the US or if you have a shipping address in the US, feel free to do that #coffee down below and watch the community post to see if you are the winner. Thanks again to Marigold Foods for sending the goodies and for the fun giveaway. And I have a link down in my description for their website where you can check out all their products. They have so much more than just these 3 things. Lots and lots of products, lots and lots of different flavors. And I also have a coupon code down in the description that you can use to get a discount if you're interested. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.